Hi guys, and welcome back. We're going to get into the 4-block format using dumbbells. So again, just basic equipment. All you need is a set of dumbbells. First exercise, Romanian deadlifts. So I'm going to click on my stopwatch and we're going to go for 30 seconds. Okay, so feet just under the hips. Okay, pushing the hips back. Again, back parallel to the ground. This is low enough. Core is braced. Should be no movement of the spine. Dumbbells always close to the body. Each rep, shooting those hips back. Center of pressure should be in the middle of the foot. Again, neutral spine, guys, include your head. So you're at the bottom, looking at the floor, at the head. At the top, you're looking at the wall, straight ahead. Squeezing glutes to the top. 3, 2, and 1. Next one, guys, we're going to go into our upper body. So again, push the feet into the ground, set the shoulders. Okay, so it's going to be a curl to a press. Control down, curl, glutes, press, neutral position, curl, press, ribs down, right? That means that your core is braced. Core is braced, ribs down, squeeze the glutes as you press. Glutes, 2 more, curl, press, 1 more, curl, and press, controlling down. Our third exercise for the core is called a push-up walkout. So simply just getting into a push-up position. So feet together, squeeze the glutes. And simply, guys, there's no push-up. You're actually just going to walk out, getting some anterior core as far as you can. Again, the caveat, guys, there should be no movement of the lower spine. Right? Core is braced. Spine does not move. Again, even just baby steps in and out. Like so. Again, or you could even just holding a high plank like so. Let's do a couple more here and bring it back in. And I will do 1 more for 30 seconds. Back in, and there we go. Okay, our last or fourth exercise is our cardio portion. We're going to do some lateral hops. So all that is, you're just going to jump to the side, balance, balance, balance. Some lateral movement here. Again, can be as little as this, to this, to this, or big jumps. But you got to stick it each time. Pause, 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 10 more seconds, pause, stability, pause, and 1 more. Here we go. Okay, so 4-block format, just simple dumbbells and a stopwatch. Hope you liked it. Thanks.